lift kit for your four-wheel drive is not a one-size-fits-all solution. So get the most out of your rig by configuring a customised lift kit solution with Pedders that's tailored to how you use your vehicle. Factors such as shock absorber type, ride height, load requirements and towing needs all play a big part in how to best set up your four-wheel drive suspension to ensure it handles on and off-road. Pedders offers a wide variety of lift kit options for many popular 4x4 vehicles, including the Ford Ranger and Everest, Toyota Hilux and LandCruiser, Isuzu D-Max and MU-X, Volkswagen Amarok, Mitsubishi Triton, Holden Colorado and many more. Pedders offers two types of specially tuned four-wheel drive shock absorbers: nitrogen gas pressurised and foam cell. Nitrogen gas shock absorbers are designed for comfortable everyday driving, while offering improved off-road performance thanks to a larger bore and piston size than most standard shocks. This provides greater oil capacity, leading to improved control and ride comfort over rough terrain. Stepping up to Pedders foam cell shock absorbers offers some key advantages over nitrogen gas and factory standard fitted shock absorbers. Foam cell shocks use a specialised technology which prevents oil from mixing with any air inside the shock, virtually eliminating shock fade completely. Pedders foam cell shock technology has been tested in some of the roughest conditions in Australia, with the unique design resisting shock fade even after hours of driving on rough roads. With an extra large bore and piston design, foam cell shock absorbers provide better oil capacity and cooling characteristics, meaning you can push your four-wheel drive on rough terrain for longer. As for springs, Pedders offers a variety of options to suit your needs. When choosing the right spring, factors such as height increase and load capacity play an important role. For example, think about how much higher you want your vehicle compared to factory specifications. A 50mm raised spring will lift your vehicle approximately 50mm above factory specifications. And a 300kg load spring is perfect for 300kg of extra weight above the factory specifications. This applies to choosing both a front spring and a rear spring solution. Consider what weight you've added to your vehicle and where it's placed. Think about bull bars, winches, dual battery setups, roof racks, canopies and tow ball down weight, which all add weight to your vehicle and may need heavy duty or constant load springs. Traditional leaf springs, parabolic leaf springs and coil springs all offer unique benefits depending on the vehicle application and what you're tackling. Parabolic leaf springs feature tapered leaves which provide better comfort and articulation over traditional leaves, while in many cases offering lighter overall component weight compared to multi-leaf packs. Yet they're still capable of maintaining a relatively high load capacity. Parabolic leaf springs are a great solution for those that have varying load requirements. One day you might be carrying heavy gear to the worksite, the next you might be relatively unloaded, tackling tough four-wheel drive tracks. If you're raising your vehicle's ride height, you may also want to consider installing Pedders Extreme upper control arms, which correct the camber and caster settings of the vehicle after a suspension lift. Pedders also offers extended brake hoses to avoid stretching or damaging the factory equipment. Or if you're towing occasionally and need that extra support, you might want to consider a Pedders airbag upgrade. So whether you're exploring off-road tracks, carrying heavy loads, or simply going about your daily commute, Pedders has a lift kit solution to suit your needs that's tried, tested and fit for purpose. Contact Pedders today at pedders.com.au and make your journey a better journey.